Unboxing and installing my Ring Chime Pro. I had the Ring doorbell the other day and I had some weak connection because my router box was upstairs. So I went and purchased one of these. So I'm going to show you what it looked like straight out of the box. And if you would like to purchase, just look at my description. It's a link to Amazon, and you can get this off of my Amazon link. And it's a pretty simple device, very easy to install. So you just take this out, and I'm gonna just let you have a close look at it. And you can also take this connection off and just push it in and slide it. And I think this is for if you're going from 110 to 220 from domestic to international. Only thing you have to do is just take that out and install the right one. This is my 110 US. And it just snaps right back in place. And also you have the instructions, and it's pretty simple. You know, step 1, and then you have your step 2, and then you have step 3, step 4, and you got step 5 and 6. So I'm going to show you how this works. First, what you want to do is take it and just plug it into your wall, and you'll see it start blinking. You'll see a blue light, and then you open your app and you put add device, and then you go down here and find the Chime Pro, and you hit continue, and ask about your address. Usually your address will pop up if you already got one installed. Just hit yes, and just hit the button on the back of your Ring doorbell, and it start picking it up. Once it finds it, you're all connected. So that's all to it. So if this video helps, subscribe. Thank you.